Here's a 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. A dominant exterior, easy interior, and unrivaled road handling. You're about to go where you never thought possible. From its athletic build to its stylish profile, the look is unmistakably Range Rover, and it drives as good as it looks. Thanks to intelligent all-wheel drive, it feels as good through the city as it does over the most extreme conditions, taking every drive to another level of fun. Inside, the controls are a natural extension of you. Navigation Pro, Touch Pro Duo, in-control apps, and voice control make driving this beast nearly effortless. This Range Rover Sport demands to be driven. Answer the call and start a new adventure today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at MORONG, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.